Alright, so today we're doing a lift slash leveling kit, 2 inches in the front, 1 inch in the back, on a 2024 Nissan Rouge. So, gonna be lots of fun. New experience. Start with undoing these. Wires in the way. This is awkward. Hey. Find a wobbly socket. See if this works. Get enough leverage on it. Place it. Move that in a little bit, just in case. How long is this frickin' bolt? Not that long. Okay. Now that the loud compressor is going, we got the top undone. So now we need to take this off and then finagle the bracket in there. Might actually be a little easier than I thought. Hopefully it comes off easy. Okay, yeah, I do. Alright, that's that. Alright, so we got sway bar brackets in. Sway bars are just kind of in place, not tightened down yet until I can get the strut situated. And it's really hard to see, but up there I got the spacer installed and tightened down. Now just try to finagle this thing around and get these top bolts put in here, and do that on both sides, and yeah, should be pretty much it for the front end, and then onto the back. Alright, struts are all tightened down. Now we got to put these little clips that hold the thingamajigger there. I think we go on. Nope, not like that. Missed it. There we go. Backwards. Yeah. Here. Here. Where's that other one? Right there. Bam! Yeah, that goes back in there like that. Now we gotta put the wipers back on. Alright, see, I got marks on there. It's a little off right now, but yeah, we'll get them in place. Alright, get this one all lined up. Right there's the ticket. I need more hands. quarter deal back on there. Alright, now just to snug those down and put the little covers back on, and then it's done. Alright, they're all tightened down. Put the little covers back on here. Boop. Boop. Alright, so that means the front end's done, other than putting the wheels on and, you know, the alignment, but onto the back.